From the sky, a broccoli field becomes a vibrant patchwork of green, rows upon rows of tightly packed crowns, ready for harvest. This aerial footage captures the precision and coordination behind modern broccoli picking, where human hands meet machinery, in a streamlined process that brings fresh produce from soil to storage in a matter of moments. In the center of the operation, teams of field workers move in rhythm, carefully cutting broccoli heads and placing them onto moving conveyor belts, mounted on a rig towed behind a slow-moving tractor. These mobile harvesting lines allow the process to continue smoothly as the tractor rolls through the rows, minimizing damage to the plants and ensuring speed and efficiency. The drone view highlights the scale of the task. Workers spaced evenly across the rows, each focusing on their section, while the belts carry the freshly harvested broccoli back to sorting and packing stations directly on the moving platform. Broccoli is a delicate crop that requires timely harvesting. If left too long in the field, the heads can overmature or lose quality. That's why this kind of coordinated harvesting system is critical, especially during peak season. Many fields are harvested just after sunrise, when temperatures are cooler and the produce is at its crispest.